Hi guys, it's 4 a.m. in the morning as Cybergolf is quite finished. Well, barely, because as we have repaired the carburetor, in the first drive basically the clutch pedal gave up and went straight to the metal, and now we have to replace the clutch, so this will be another video for the Cybergolf. But other than that, not much really left to do. So it's time for a long trip, because we are going to go across the Poland, basically over 500 kilometers, to Białystok to buy new thing. So we'll see how it goes.
Good morning world, it's a brand new day. I'm packing my bags and I'm getting away. I'm moving my legs and my city tight bones. I gotta get away from the busy man's phones. Down on Malibu where the living is so wild and free. If you wanna get happy then people.
Alright, so the plan for today is to search for new project cars. As I told you at the beginning, travel is not so very short one, because as you know, I'm located near Wrocław and the car is located in Białystok. So basically it's a road for 560 kilometers, so it's almost 10-hour drive both ways. So hopefully the car will be pretty in good condition, and the main point is that we won't break down in the road back. On the pictures and when I talk with the seller, apparently everything is fine. There's not much rust on the car, there's not much troubles with the engine. It's an old car, it's i84 I believe, and this is basically a Volkswagen Transporter T3. So this would be a project for a camper, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. Okay, so we arrived at Białystok. So this is one of the greatest cities in Poland. This is a home of three best Polish men, Mieszko Minkiewicz, Professor Chris, and of course our beloved president, Krzysztof Kononowicz. And right now we are trying, because you know there won't be many opportunities in the future to visit Białystok, I assume. So the first step is to visit Krzysztof Kononowicz villa, mansion, residence, yeah. Then of course Professor Chris, and we don't know where Mieszko Minkiewicz lives, but it would be pretty creepy to go to his house. And after that we are going to see the new vehicle. Okay, and now we are approaching this beautiful piece of old technology, and we'll see if it's going to work.
I get the feeling that you're feeling blue. You got them demons, I'll take them from you.
So, about T3, it's in a medium condition right now, but I think that once we are finished with it, then it will be really shiny. So right now, I think there might be some kind of problems with the engine, because top speed of this 1.6 diesel engine is 90 kilometers per hour. So yeah, it's going to be a very long drive to Wrocław, because we have just left the Białystok. So it'll be nice. So right, glad we started our journey to Białystok at 4 a.m. And yeah, I think now it's 5 past 12. I believe we'll arrive at Wrocław around 6, maybe 5 p.m. We'll see. I'm pretty concerned about the heating situation because the pointer of the heating system here, usually in the cars, is like pointing to the top, right? But in this case, it's like almost touching the highest possible temperature, so but it's stuck there, and also there's kind of a blinker indicator that there's engine is overheating, and it's not blinking, and it stays at the current position, so this is nice. Yeah, so hopefully we'll drive safely to Wrocław, and yeah, see you later. Hopefully we'll be on Wrocław, not on some kind of a gas station up the road, right? Yeah, see ya.
1 hour later.
I don't know if you can hear me right because the engine cover is removed due to heating reasons, and we had our first stop because of heating situation. So basically, as I told you, the pointer went like straight to the high line, and then all of a sudden it started blinking red. We have 500 kilometers to go on a top speed of yes. It's going to be a long drive home. Yeah. I love this car. Everything is fine now. The pointer is right in the middle, so yeah. Apparently it runs, but if you pedal to the metal all the way to 90 kilometers per hour for like 70 kilometers, it starts overheating. It's natural. It has almost 40 years. It's 86. Yeah, it happens. Apparently there was some kind of air bubbles in the system, but they are out now, and everything looks to be fine. So there will be a small stop at the near gas station because my phone battery is getting low, so some kind of a new power bank is necessary because in this car apparently there's no cigarette lighter plug-in. So yeah, no way of charging the phone.
It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day, it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day.
Okay, we are 400 kilometers away from Wrocław. This is how this beauty looks. It will be better after some time. It was very big issue, as I was scared that at the beginning of our journey it started overheating, but when the cover is up it seems to be working fine. There is still some, there's no bubbles here, so I think we are good. Yeah.
1 hour later.
Second issue on the T3. Basically, after the heating problem, we now have oil problem. As you can see, whole car is covered in oil, and the worst thing is that car of my mom is also covered in oil. Jesus Christ, mom's gonna kill me. Leak has been diagnosed because apparently it doesn't concern engine at all, only the part where the engine oil comes to the engine. So apparently oil came up from here, and you can see right here that everything that drops from here is from this hose, which has been already taped by the previous owner right here. So I believe this is a common issue or something. Yeah, okay, it's dripping again. So we need to control oil for the rest of the road.
I don't see what you see in me. Why see me when you can just leave? Have a holiday in another country. Send me a message when you are free.
Guys, break it! Over 100 kilometers per hour! Awesome!
Please tell me why I can't forget her. I woke up on a...
It's very loud, but we are approaching Wrocław. We had 2 issues on the road, like I said before, but apparently this was nothing basically for this 1.6 diesel.
It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely...
Similarly to Golf 2, the first thing that needs to be done after buying it and driving it home is of course washing it, because as you can see it has a lot of flies over here, a lot of mud over oil, and the worst thing is the back of it, because like I said, there's a lot of oil here.
I got too many things to think about. I got too many things to drink about. I got too many things I care about. I got too many things I could do without. Why is my life so difficult? Why is everything that happens always my fault? I can't help the fact that I'm lonely.
We arrived at home. It took about from 4 a.m. till 9 p.m. The whole trip of 1,000 kilometers, so it was a very long drive. Road to Białystok was quick, but getting back with this and 80 kilometers per hour was just awful. And the plan was for me and my fiancée to convert it, to rebuild it, to fix it as much as we can possible in our home environment, and then convert it to the camper. But there's an issue. It doesn't fit our garage at all. Like, it's just it's scratching the roof on this part, but this is not the problem. This is something that it's done. But the problem is the automation of the garage door. So yeah, we didn't know what to do. And this is bąk. Bąk means in Polish bumblebee. I think bumblebee. Because it's fat, it's very slow, it's very, packed, let's say. And yeah, so this is it. Białystok, Transporter T3, and miserable failure among other 2 on the roads. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.